Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. In this situation, we need to have about complementary solution. And the second one, that should be about particular solution. So about the first one, I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of this one. We have lambda e to the power of lambda s, because if we do first derivative of this one, we keep this one same. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, we have lambda. And now we do second derivative of this one, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this one that is about complementary solution. So this equation in here equals to number 0. So I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s plus 2 lambda e to the power of lambda s, and the last one. Now we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. And now we put this equation equals to number 0. And now we have two solutions in here. That is lambda equals to positive number 2 and lambda equals to negative number 4. So in this situation, yc equals to c number 1, that is about the constant number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So we change lambda into number 2, and we have c number 2 e to the power of negative 4s. And this is about complementary solution. Now let's go to particular solution. We see that we have e to the power of 2s, but on the solution in here we have e to the power of 2s. So let's just repeat again. In this situation, I will put about yb equals to, that is about a s e to the power of 2s. We need to multiply by s in here, because this one they have already have this solution in here. So we need to multiply by s. Next, we do first derivative of yp. So we do first derivative of s. We have number 1. First derivative of e to the power of 2s. We have number 2 e to the power of 2s. Next, we do second derivative of this one. 2a e to the power of 2s plus 2a e to the power of 2s plus 4a s e to the power of 2s. After we do first derivative, now we put this one go in here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we will have like this. Now we need to simplify. So for as minus 8as, we cancel in here. 2a, 2a, and we have 2a in here. So that should be about 6a e to the power of 2s. And we know that this one equal to 12e to the power of 2s. Now we have 6a and number 12. So we just have 6a equals to number 12. So we divide both sides by number 6. And we have number 2. So yb in here equal to 2s e to the power of 2s. After we change value of a gone here. And now we have the final answer. We have y equal to yc plus yb. Yc we have this one. And yb we have this one in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.